In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop manually emailing clients to ask if they've signed by using PandaDoc reminders on a template. If you regularly send quotes, proposals, or agreements and then have to follow up one by one, this simple setup can save you a lot of time. Instead of remembering who needs a nudge and when to send it, PandaDoc can handle those reminders for you automatically. That means less manual work, more consistency, and a smoother experience for your clients. To begin, open your catering quote template in PandaDoc. Once you're inside the template, go to the File menu, then choose Recipients, and then Reminders. This is where you control how follow-up reminders will work for any document created from this template. Setting it up here is helpful because it applies the reminder behavior in advance, so you don't have to repeat the same task every time you send a new quote. Next, turn auto reminders on. You'll see an option to switch them on or off, and in this case, you want to enable them. Once they're turned on, PandaDoc will be ready to send follow-up messages automatically based on the schedule you choose. This is the key step that turns your reminder process from manual into automatic. After that, customize how the reminder should be sent. You can choose whether the client receives the reminder by email or by text message, also known as SMS. Think about which option makes the most sense for your workflow and for the kind of response your clients are most likely to notice quickly. Email may feel more formal, while text can sometimes get faster attention. Then set the timing. Choose to send the first reminder 2 or 3 days after the document is sent. This gives the client a little time to review the quote before being prompted again. After that, set the reminder to repeat every 5 days until they sign. That creates a steady but not overly aggressive follow-up rhythm, which helps keep the document top of mind without overwhelming the recipient. If you already sent a document and forgot to enable auto reminders on the template, you can still send a one-time reminder manually. Open the sent document, find the recipient's name, click the 3 dots next to it, and select Send Reminder. This is a quick way to give them an immediate nudge without changing anything else. That's it. Once this is set up, PandaDoc does the follow-up work for you, helping you stay organized and making it easier to get documents signed on time.